1. Was that loud enough, Kamal? No? Can we get a little more louder, sir? Sir, do you think we can get louder? One more time. Everybody here in this arena. Everybody here at this venue. 3, 2, 1. Well done to all the partners for finishing up your well done. Are getting closer to the finishing phase here. Please make sure there's enough space. Please make sure, stay back. Please move aside, let the runners bring side. For the finishing line, clear out the space. Please make sure that there's space. Well done to all the partners for finishing up your well done. Are getting closer to the finishing phase here. Please make sure there's enough space. Please make sure, stay back.
ಸರ್ ಪೈಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ Photos boy is coming. Side. Photos boy. Please go. भैया सेकंड बाय ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ at KGF Ultra 2026. And we've got our sponsors Bhagirathi. A heartfelt thank you to Bhagirathi, one of the India's leading mobility transport solution providers since 2003. Bhagirathi has been delivering safe KGF Ultra 2026 and helping us move people with safety, comfort and care. We're proud to acknowledge Canara Bank, one of India's innovation and authentic South Indian flavors. Delight brings richness of traditional cuisine to kitchens across India. Thank you for adding flavors to KGF Ultra 2026. Sapna, fasten up.
We also have Fasten Up, a big Ultra 2026. We also have Yakult India. A warm thank you to the 90 years of global probiotic research. Yakult contains the unique Lactobacillus cassia. Also, sincere and grateful special thanks. How can I forget the lady behind us? Thank you very much, Honorable KGF Constituency MLA Madam. Thank you for your constant support. First of all, thank you for gracing the occasion with the flag off. And secondly, thank you for sponsoring breakfast to all the amazing runners at KGF Ultra. We are grateful to you and we look forward for your constant support. Thank you very much, Ma'am.
As the runners are arriving here, please ensure that the finishing area is spaced out.
Congratulations to all the runners making it out to finishing line. Let's give it a round of applause and welcome them. They just made it a good KGF marathon and back to the finishing line. Congratulations, runners. Once you're done with the run, make sure you collect your finishing medals from the respective category that you have run. Make sure you collect your medals before you leave for the day. Congratulations, boys. Congratulations, girls. Making it to the finishing line. Well done. Thank you. May I request the medical team to assist with the medical emergency, please? Medical team is here. Medical team, volunteers, doctors, nurse. Your requirement is needed. Vishaka Marketing, a sincere thank you Vishaka Marketing, a trusted name in the industry of marketing and distribution, with connecting quality branded customers to reliable services in stock market presence. We are grateful for your constant support for marketing KGF Ultra 2026. Thank you so much for celebrating us. Thank you for partnering with us. Thank you so much. Guys, don't worry. We're gonna give you this segment of photos. On the other side, we also have our Honorable Chief Guest in the house. That's Mr. K. Jaydev, who is the Kolar District President's Karnataka Amateur Athletic Chairman. We welcome you, Mr. Jaydev. Thank you for gracing the occasion with your presence. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the young runners. Thank you so much.
Mahesh, Mr. Suresh, Mr. Naveen Ram, Mr. Shekhar, Mr. Shani Shehzada, Mr. Satish from Reliance. Believe in this vision, your encouragement and your timely support.
So once again, welcoming Mr. K. Jaydev, the dignitaries and the honorable guests for today's event. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion with your presence and your support. Thank you for being here. Thank you.
To everybody who turned out here in large numbers at the KGF Ultra, the first ever in KGF, and it's been historic.
As my amazing fellow coaches said, that a lot of photo booths drops right there. Ultra, we're on Instagram. Don't forget to tag us. Well, you can tag both the artists as well. That's a praise on the Instagram, and you can find me as anchor Sapna. Do tag us and shower your love. Amazing runners. Sangila, well done to the spirit and the energy. Keep going, guys.
Possible. KGF Kolar District Administration. Everybody, Lakshmaya sir has joined us on stage as well.
You guys are amazing. You got this coming to you. What an energy for the young ones.
Ma'am, before we begin, a few words from you about how much are you loving this?
Volumes up, volumes up.
Boys and girls, they are completed within time, and definitely it's a wonderful moment for KGF, historical moment. I hope this will, in future also, keep you engaged, and you will. And I hope you will promise us that you will keep away from all illegal activity. Always say no to drugs, you will follow traffic rules, and will be a good citizen, and make the name of KGF, save the golden days of KGF should come back. All the best, you are all wonderful guys, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Look at the young
I am a student of the KGF. We love you all. It is a proud moment to our KGF.
How the mommy, truly.
Most of the students are sports lovers. We are proud to feel that marathon is happening in KGF and we finished it. And
Yeah.
in future also we participate and we appreciate the team, the best organizers team.
Give it a round of
At the
applause.
same time, tourism department also. Best organizers, and they are the first to come and they wanted to start the event in the KGF. And these organizers are this team and these organizers are the first to start this event, and they planned it and they had come to us and from the tourism department. And the DC also, district administration, and we really appreciate the safety and security measures, and for the younger generations to the best message from our
Nicely said, ma'am. Nicely
KGF
said.
SP also, and department wise also school, high school, college students, and they also motivated. And all the schools today, they have participated because of the teachers and the government school organizers only, and it is a collective efforts, and in future we wanted to plan and we wanted to educate them, and we want
This would not be possible
this is
without
only
your
a love
support,
and
ma'am.
affection towards the KGM, and I want to keep we want to engage you in the sports activity. This is our team and motto also. This is a concern and vision also to we both want to engage you in the sports. And thank you for all the individual participants. And I really appreciate all the participants. We love you all.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I think, as I said, this would not be possible without you. So thank you.
Administration. Everyone cooperated, but without two persons, that is police department under our SP sir and our local MLA, this event couldn't have happened.
Yeah.
I really thank them because within 1 month we conducted. Usually, event of this such a scale needs at least 6 months of planning. Everywhere we used to have hurdle for permission, but our MLA saw to that we called all the person involved and grant the permission in a single go. So that made us to go ahead and start this event, and this event will go till the evening 6 p.m. because still 25 kilometers, 50 kilometers and 70 kilometers are running there and they are complete. So I thank MLA as well as our SP sir for the wonderful support, and I hope this support continues in future also for us. Thank you.
We're going to be
3139 Abhinaya. I would request Honorable MLA ma'am to do the honors. Please go, Abhinaya. Stand on your position. First, go stand on the podium. Give it a round of applauses. These are the winners of girls 3K category. Congratulations, girls. How nice is that of you, ma'am? That's a motherly feeling to these kids. Thank you, Rupa ma'am.
Come this way, come this way.
Yes, we now moving on to 3109, that's Dikshit, and first place goes to a big number 3021, Darwin. Congratulations, these are the winners of a male 3K runners boys.
I think we could all give them a big cheer, everybody. Come on, let's clap for them. The winners of the 3K competition in the boys segment in this KGF.
Ibi, 5K over to you. Moving on to the next category. Anjali is here, Vivna Sheth here. Congratulations, girls. First place, Anjali is here. Anjali, Tokyo. Let's give it a round of applauses to the 5K category.
Come on, let's make some noise here for the prize winners here. Absolutely amazing. They've shown a lot of grit, they've shown a lot of dedication, and that is the reason why they're standing at this podium and receiving the awards.
568, that's Tarun. 7807, that's Danush S. And first place goes to 8. Bang and late. Round of applauses. These are the boys, the winners of 5K category boys runners. Congratulations, darlings. Keep running.
Please, who've turned up here with
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
dedication, with your
7807, that's Danush S. And first place goes to bib number 7. Goskara. Give it a round of applause. These are the boys, winners of 5K category boys runners. Congratulations, darlings. Keep running.
Admission open for lab technician. Golden City College of Paramedical Science, LWF Center, BML Nagar, KGF. Interested students contact the below phone number. Paramedical Diploma in Medical Lab Technology, Health Inspector, Medical Image Technology, Operation Theatre Technology. Eligible students are 10th pass and 2nd PC pass or fail.